The destination area of Portland, Maine, known as the Old Port, sits at the tip of a peninsula where working waterfront meets New England grit, live music, and fine cuisine. Whether you're arriving by car, train, or even ferry, the journey feels like a step into something grounded. Portland International Jetport makes flying in easy, though you're never far from the docks or the forests. Routes 1 and 295 bend through marshland, pine trees, and clapboard towns as you approach the city. And just like that, you're here, where cobblestones still speak louder than traffic lights. Portland smells like salt air, roasted coffee, and something frying just out of view. If it's been a while, you'll notice new apartments, though the soul of Portland remains. Quirky, yet steadfast, cordial, and helpful. Red brick buildings lean into narrow streets, and fishing boats still matter more than cruise ships. This city balances hard work and high craft with a quiet pride that never needs to shout. Portland doesn't try to impress you, it just is. Yes, Portland has lobster rolls. They're just the surface. This is a highly rated foodie town built on respect for ingredients and the people who pull them from land and sea. From the no-frills Holy Donut to the wood-fired genius at Top Shelf 4th Street restaurant. Always tasty. Luke's Lobster on the pier. The city lives to eat well. There's a microbrewery on every other block, easygoing, comfy zones where you can chat up the locals or sit in peace. They're just making something real and sharing it. And don't skip the haddock sandwich at Becky's Diner. It tastes like the Atlantic and a good day's work. Plenty of choices on the menu. Portland's people aren't trying to be authentic. They just show up, do what they do, and care about it. You'll meet fishermen who moonlight as musicians, baristas who know your name by day and paint seascapes at night. Everyone's got a side hustle, and none of it feels like hustle. It's just a town of people making things, art, food, music, meaning. There's a rhythm to daily life here that's quiet but sure. Locals walk their dogs along the water before work, rain or shine. They shop small, eat local, and know their neighbors by name. Community gardens grow beside corner stores, and old homes still have front porches with flowers. In Portland, life isn't perfect, but it's well lived. This city's history is under your feet. The cobblestones in the old port once bore the weight of rum barrels and codfish crates. You can trace the fire of 1866 in the brickwork and street patterns, or wander into a 19th century mansion that still smells of old wood and sea air. Portland remembers, and it's adapting, it's relevant. Here, nature is more than a weekend escape. It's always within reach. You can hike a coastal trail, kayak to an island, or watch harbor seals from a rocky ledge. Even in winter, locals strap on snowshoes and head into the trees. Portland's wild side is just there. It's part of the deal. The Atlantic looms large. Recreation, livelihoods, beauty, a reminder of powerful nature. It's the edge of everything. You know, for a small city, Portland really punches well above its weight in the arts. The Portland Museum of Art is a fascinating place, mixing the classic works of Winslow Homer with bold new voices that are making waves. Indie galleries are popping up in the most unexpected places, like former garages. Poetry readings spill out from bookstores, and live music, oh, it rattles the floorboards in century-old pubs. There's even a popular reimagined children's museum over on Thompson's Point. And the creative spirit here is something else. It's strong, raw, steady, and very real. Portland, well, it changes with the seasons, and each one tells its own unique story. In the summer, the whole city just opens up. Parks, patios, and piers come alive, buzzing with energy. Visitors arrive, and the fun-filled Old Port area can get a bit crowded. Then fall comes along, painting the town in burnt oranges and deep reds, and everyone seems to slow down a bit. Some folks even take a bus tour to soak in the blazing colors. Winter can be tough, no doubt about it, but locals lean into it with ice skates, snow tires, and layers of clothes. And spring, that's when hope smells like thawed earth and fresh oysters. The buds on the flowers and trees are a promise of what's to come. Just a few minutes from the popular Old Port area, the Eastern Promenade is a large public space on a grassy hill overlooking sparkling Casco Bay and its many evergreen islands. Locals stretch out on blankets with coolers, some walk their dogs, some watch proudly as their children run free. Benches line the sidewalk and there's a tennis court and playground just uphill. It's a place where the city pauses, watching sailboats, lobster boats, and the regular yellow ferries of Casco Bay lines pass below. Down a winding road, you'll find a cluster of popular food trucks, a busy public boat launch, and East End Beach where swimmers, paddlers, and dog walkers meet the tide. This public hillside is Portland's front porch. Portland, Maine is no longer a secret, but it's still a discovery. It's growing, creating its own vibe. It's just doing what it does, adapting, living. In a world full of flash, Portland reminds us that substance still counts and that authenticity, when you find it, feels like coming home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a hidden gem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a hidden gem.